Sorry about that, guys. I had the microphone on mute here. Let me go back here and talk about what we were doing. So first things first, guys. The market is pulling back a little bit here, over 15,000 new cases. They did a little bit of a tweak of how they're doing it, calculating the confirmed cases and whatnot. But there's 15,000 new cases of the coronavirus. Market's pulling back a little bit by that. Dow's down about 140 now, and that's about it. We locked in profits yesterday. Great timing. Market's pulling back. Now it's time for discipline. I was just showing on the live screen share here. We're up today. We're up about $470, and that's looking fantastic here this morning. And it's nice how we're making profits each day here as we go along, just by looking at the market conditions, being disciplined, being patient, and following our trade plan. So first things first, guys, we locked in profits yesterday. We're going to be looking for some more today. Our account's in the green today. Let me share that with you. Here's what we're up today. Here's the profit and loss. P&L, we're up $470. That's fueled by our space trade, Groupon. CGC's up a little bit this morning. Looking great. Nice profit still coming in. Space, 23.45 and climbing, up 1.73%. Looking great there. Accounts continuing to climb. And guys, it's so important. Could you guys hear me now? Could they hear me now? A little bit this morning. Yeah? Okay, great. Alrighty, guys. So our space trade is now up 35%. Do we want to lock in that profit now or hold it a little bit longer here? I think I'm probably going to be putting a limit order in for about $2.50 a contract on space. I'm looking at the charts above here, but take a look here. PepsiCo call sweeps coming in. That's usually something that's going to climb when the markets are retracing, pulling back a little bit here. So I'm probably going to put in an order for space, probably somewhere around 250. We're up about $500 on that trade already. So let's see, what's the market doing here? $210. Look at how much we're up today already. We're up over $800 today. That's all fueled by Groupon moving. Now we're up over 900. Now we're up over 1,000. Oh, just was up over 1,000 there. There we go. Now I'm up over 1,200. Space is continuing to rock there. 220. Let's see, I'll put in an order for 225. Do I want to do that right now? Yeah. Alrighty, guys, I just closed out space. I just closed out our space trade. This is what I sold it at. 10 contracts, February 21st, 2020. The $23 strike, limit order, 2.25, sell to close, 10 contracts. And I just locked in some nice profits on that. Wow, look at space run now. You guys could get a much better fill than I just did. Dance for me, dance for me, dance for me. Let's see, I'm trying to pull something up for you guys here. What's today's date? The 13th, right? All right. And here's what we did so far. Hold on, let me resume. The account is at new highs today for the year, and what you can see right here, we have a loss of $740.72 realized today. The only reason why that's there is because of the SPY puts that we had as a hedge that were worthless. Our space trade, we locked in over $600 and some in profits on space. We were in 159, sold 225, 2.25. Divide that by 1.59, and that's a 41.51% return we just made on the space trade we got yesterday. That's a hell of a nice trade, isn't it, Jay? They can't hear you shaking your head.
Absolutely.
Gotta speak up a little bit.
I was just trying to calculate mine. I got out at 240. I was in at 150, 159. So
You got out at 240?
so that's 50%.
Oh, nice. You did better than me. So, did you just get out now? When I just did?
I only got out with half though. Yeah.
Oh, nice.
I still have a few.
So that little extra minute that it took you to sell, you got a better price there, right?
It wasn't a minute, but yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. It
Yeah.
wasn't a minute, but yes.
Couple minutes?
No, it was faster than that. It was like 30 seconds, I think.
Oh yeah, it just started taking off there.
Yeah.
Probably right there on that 935 candle or the 933. That was nice. Happy with that. CGC's on the rise here. So now all we have left is the CGC. Someone was asking about the trades I have left. All I have left is the CGC, March 20th, 20 strike call. I have the Facebook, February 21st, 210 strike call. That's up 3% today. CGC's up 11%, 12% today. Groupon trade is overall green now, looking great. Wow, do you see the IV heading up for Groupon there? I'm looking at it. It has a bid of 49 cents and an ask of 81 cents. That's a huge spread there. And then I have the Qualcomm February 21st 95 strike call. That's basically worthless still. Up $800 for the day today. Looking good. Accounts at new highs. There goes CGC again. It's looking good. Space is on the run here. You know what I wanted to see today, guys? I wanted you to take a look at this here. So NVDA was raised. Their price target was raised to $314 a share. AMAT was raised to $77 a share. And CVS raised to $73. Cisco raised to $55. So I want you guys to take these stocks right here, put them on your watch list, and keep an eye on them. Look for our trade plan within them and see if you can find any good setups there. So right now, what I'm doing is I want to lock in profits and try to close out all the positions I have. I only have 1, 2, 3, 4. I only have 4 more positions left here. So I want to close those up and then look for the new trades because you don't want to keep adding and growing and have a large position on at a time here. So we're doing great. Accounts at new highs for the year here. Big increase in the past 2-3 weeks. Looking great. Groupon though, 49 cent ask or 49 cent bid, 81 cent ask. So Facebook starting to run again here too. Let's put that on the chart. Facebook back over 211 a share. Nice climb there. Guys, if excuse me, just took a drink of my Diet Pepsi, went down the wrong pipe. Guys, if you guys locked in some profits on space, give this a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up and share it on social media. There's no one else doing this. Facebook still continuing to climb there. It's like, all right, do I want to add to that Facebook trade now? You know, because it came back. It did right, you know, right as we expected. Let's take a look at the daily chart. Facebook looks so good right here. I mean, it looks ready for another big run. Doesn't that? I mean, look at how it's holding that 10 and the 50 now so well. You know, you're just getting that MACD leveling off there, starting to climb. You already had big BDM. You know, it consolidated a little bit here. I mean, there's no doubt this is going to head higher, in my opinion. There goes space again. New highs on space. Wow, look at Facebook climbing.
I'd like to add to a call.
What's that?
I think I'd like to add to my call.
I know, that's what I'm thinking about here too. Space, look at that big breakout again, 24.25. We have been nailing it. Man, look at space, look at Facebook go. Facebook looks like something I want to add to because my Facebook calls are up 12% today, but down 24% overall. But that's for next week's expo. So we have the 210 strike call February 21st. We were in at $5. So at 220 we have 100% return. Do I think it's going to get to 220? That's the question by next Friday. And if we look at the 3-month daily here, you know, I could see us possibly getting to 215. I don't think we'll get to 220. So, you know, that's one that I want to close once I get either closer to a profit or, you know, I mean, I'm only down 600 on that trade at the moment. But that could be that I mean, you know how that is, 25% with options, you know. We could see that turn green by, wow, look at AMAT continue to run there. We could see that green by the end of the hour here. Wow, look at AMAT run. I'm going to jump in AMAT, guys. I have to. That's a good setup. Big upgrade. It's up 3.7%, continuing to climb. Get the March 20th Expo call. Let's see, Expo March 20th. Let's see, 67.50. Alrighty, 67.50. 2.75. Let's see if it fills. And we are in. We are in the AMAT, March 20th, 67.50 strike call. And we're in at 275. Bid of 253, ask of 281. So you might be able to get a little bit better. Maybe you could get it at 270. But here it is. There we go. Those AMAT trades are taking off. AMAT trade already up 3%. Up $1,200 for the day. Facebook's taking off. Facebook is, what did I tell you about Facebook? It was down, what, 24% before? Now it's only down 16%. That's probably going to turn green by the end of the day. CGC is on the climb, looking good. Let's see in the chat here what you guys are saying. Colin says CGC reports earnings tomorrow. Am I going to hold?
I thought that was the play.
Yeah, that's what I was going to do. I mean, there is $2,000 in the trade, so maybe I'll take half off. You know, just to not risk $2,000 going into earnings. Look at space taking off again. AMAT's holding that 10-day really well here. Let's see, let's continue reading here. Bob says, I'm long now, another 1,300 space. Daniel White says, I'll share it on Facebook. Thank you, Daniel. I appreciate that. Stefan says he entered space March 20th, 12 strike calls on January 9th. You know? Just closed his position when it hit 24 a share. The stock doubled. Amazing. JD Poon says, how's Netflix doing? Let's take a look at Netflix. Netflix up about 0.46%. Chart looks great for Netflix. You're getting up to some 385 to, 390. You're going to see some resistance on Netflix. I can tell you that much. There goes AMAT bouncing off that 10-day simple moving average. Take a look, guys. There's a retracement. There she is at the 10. Let's see if it holds it and starts to climb there. CGC still looking great as well. Maybe they're just going to keep... We're almost green on our CGC trade now. Maybe they're just going to keep buying it into earnings here.
With Facebook again.
Facebook? Yeah, Facebook's still continuing to run. Wow, look at Facebook. Broke 212 now. She might hit 215 today. She hits 215 today, I'll be taking profits. I'm just sitting here at my desk, guys, so I'm not actively trading right now. I'm watching, managing the current trades, and then I'm going to be adding to some positions here. I'm watching Walmart still as well. Walmart still looks great for an entry. Well, we just got our AMAT trade, so we can't say we didn't trade. Dave, what do you think about the Space 27 call for January 2021? How much is it, Vinny? Facebook's still on the run. Look at that. Walmart wants to get back up to 117. And Walmart's such a low volatile trade that you can make some quick, easy profits on that. Trading it up and down to support and resistance. Look at Facebook go there. 212.34. 212.36. 212.39, 212.40, 212.42, 212.45. 212.47. Big breakout there on Facebook. 212.50. And there we go. Facebook trade is almost green. And now up $1,300 today. Wow, 212.54. CGC is really taking off here. CGC is almost green. Once she turns green, I'm going to take half off. Vinny said it's 575 for the space 30 call. That's a lot, Vinny. That's quite a bit. There goes Facebook again. 212.58. 212.59. Wow, up about $1,500 today. Walmart's still on the climb as well. I was really thinking about entering. I gave you guys a Walmart trade idea the other day. I didn't get into it myself. I was thinking about entering now. It looks great for an entry here. AMAT's picking up off that 10-day again. There goes Facebook again, 212.62. No one in the trade room shared the live video this morning except for you.
That's hilarious. Oh, you're talking about in the chat? I thought you meant on Facebook.
No, in the trade room.
Well,
Usually Bob or Tom does it, but
the people in the trade room
guess they were
know how to
occupied.
get to the video, though.
A lot of people don't, though.
It's very simple when you hit the
You know,
subscribe thing. It just
Some of the
pops up.
people in the trade room, they're like, "Where's the live video? Where is it?" Same place it always is, you know. That's why I say to subscribe, hit the bell to get notified, and then you get notifications without me having to post anything. But wow, look at Facebook go 212.77, new highs. 212.78. She's gonna head for 215 today. She wants to. Okay, Bob. Bob said I share it in the room once it's in the chat. I don't share it unless someone asks for it. I gotta make like a thing for the homepage there of how to use our service, what we do each day, our schedule. You know, I gotta find someone that can make that though and make it look great. Because I'm very picky, as you know. You know, I want things done a certain way. There goes AMAT again. AMAT's taking off. Big run there on AMAT. Breakout momentum again off the 10. There she goes, heading for new highs of the day. AMAT's now up 3.7% for the day. AMAT, new highs. I love talking with you guys. So if you're on the either YouTube chat or in the Facebook chat, or if you're on the website trade room, you know, come on, talk. Let me know if you guys have anything you want to look at, anything you want to talk about here while we're watching the markets. I'm just watching our Facebook trade continue to climb here. It's amazing because, you know, like each trade we get, do you see how we take profits at different times? You know, like yesterday we took profits on Visa. We took profits on, I forget what other one. We've been making so many trades lately. It's just like, you know. But, you know, we keep taking profits as we go along. And that's what we got to do. You know, now Facebook, hopefully we could sell that for a profit today or tomorrow. And then each trade, as you see, we're taking profits. You know, I don't like taking losers. That's why I hold them. If I still see it's following our trade plan, I hold on to it. That's why that time on your side is so important. Speaking of Facebook, here you go. Call sweeps coming in Facebook. March 20th, 215 call sweeps, 584 and 535.2 contract. Micron Technology, MU. Micron, 60 call sweeps coming in for tomorrow's expo. Let me take a look at Micron. We made a quick 40 or 50% gain on that. We were down on that a little bit.
I think I made both 50 and 40 on. I had 2 trades.
Oh, yeah, we had 2 trades, right? Yeah. I forget everything I did yesterday except for Visa. For some reason, Visa sticks out. Visa's down a lot today. Did you see it?
Yeah, I'm still in it.
It was down. Oh, no, it came right back now. It's only down 30 cents now. It was down quite a bit before. Micron looks good there, though. You know, it's in consolidation a little bit, but not bad looking. Colin Nixon said, Hubs price upgrade, long Hubs. I don't know what the heck Hubs is. Let me see. Oh, HubSpot. Nah, I'm not a fan of HubSpot, are you? You're big into all that stuff. Do you like HubSpot? HubSpot, that's where you get like concert tickets?
No.
No?
I'm not a big fan of them. I mean,
Is that what HubSpot is?
I don't know what they do.
Let me see what they do. I know. I've heard of them. HubSpot is a developer and marketer of software products for inbound marketing and sales. Okay, I guess it's not. Totally different than what I thought. Let's see. Harlan says, how does AMD look to you? I'm not really adding too much. Wow, AMD still looks like it's ready for another takeoff there. Look at AMD. Doesn't that look like it's ready for another run? So here's consolidation for AMD. This is what I'd be looking for if it were me personally. You are looking for a make or break above that area right there. You get a candle above that yellow box, you're buying calls. Below that, you're getting into some puts. See that yellow rectangle right there? That's what you're looking for. You break above it, you're going long. If it's a candle with the body below it, you're getting some puts, going short. There goes AMAT again, climbing off that 20. Nice to be up about $1,000 and really didn't even do much yet. The sucky part though, once you do this for so long and you're sitting here, you're like, all right, you know what the market's going to do today, so it's just going to be one of those long dragged out days. It's not, I think we're going to be looking for Monday to take a good move again.
It just takes one tweet.
One tweet, yeah, but he hasn't been tweeting much lately. He's been behaved, hasn't he?
It's not even just him, but from anybody, like, just takes one moment in time
Yeah.
and then craziness happens, right?
My big concern is that coronavirus now. Group bonds pulling back a little bit here.
I feel like it's getting downplayed more now, so
What, coronavirus? Yeah, but now all of a sudden they're talking about all those confirmed cases. I know they tweaked the way they did them a bit, but still 15,000 cases? And then just think, each one of those persons infects 2-3 people. The quarantine isn't going well at all out there, I guess. I mean, it's grown exponentially. I mean, just think about it. 3 weeks ago, there's 200 cases. Now there's almost, 50,000 or 100,000? And that concerns the market because, if there's fear in people, they're not going to go out, they're not going to spend, they're not going to travel, they're not going to eat out. Restaurants are going to do bad. All the retail stores, no one's going to go shopping. Starbucks already closed their stores out there. Tesla closed their stores out there. So just think of how that's impacting the global economy. And you could only hold it up and downplay it for so long. And that's why China's downplaying it, because, they thought it was going to pass quick, but because their economy's really hurting from what I've been reading. Really tough. Market's pulling back here a little bit, guys. Just one of those days, though, that you just have to be. Coronavirus fears back on big earnings day as Alibaba, PepsiCo, and NVDA all report after the bell today. NVIDIA, PepsiCo, Alibaba.
Let's say 15th case.
15th case of coronavirus confirmed in the United States. We probably have a lot of people dying and they're saying, let's just say it's the flu. Just so they don't say it's the coronavirus. They don't want to get fears in the States going, You know how they downplay things. AMD is still on the climb, still looking good.
The CDC predicts at least 12,000 Americans will die from the flu in any given year.
12,000 Americans will die from the flu any given year?
As many as 61,000 died in 2017-2018 flu season.
Now, where are you going to be concerned at if if they say, we just got our 100th confirmed case in the United States, or when they say, we got our 1,000 or our 10,000th, where is it? Would you look at the NVIDIA call sweeps coming in, 290 call sweeps? They report after the bell today. I want to get a NVIDIA trade, The heck with that. I want to do an earnings trade. NVIDIA has made me so much money. I think I deserve it to give it a small earnings trade. Feels like I've been engaged to NVIDIA for a year and a half. It's been a close relationship. Let's see, February 14th. Yeah, the 21st. 275. Going for 860. What if I did something like let me see. Buy to open, sell to open. Look at that, the 295, 300 vertical spread for next week's expo on NVIDIA, 71 cents to be worth $5. 5, divide that by 0.74. That's a 576% return possible. You know, I'll put a couple $100 in it. 10 contracts for $700 for $750. Now, that's for my account, you know, or this account. It's not for you know, people with smaller accounts. You know, I would stay away from high risk earnings trade, but I'm going to make a small trade here. See if it fills. I'll change it to 75 cents. There we go. Completed at 75 cents. Alrighty, so I got a small trade on NVIDIA. I got the 295, 300 vertical bull call spread, 75 cents to be worth 5 max. 5, divide that by 0.75, and you're looking at a max net return of 567%, as long as NVIDIA is above 300 by next Friday. Which, let's see what the implied move is. And remember, NVIDIA just got upgraded to $314 a share in the pre-market hours today. %7.71%. 271.58. Multiply that by 0.0771. So about a 21-point climb. Yeah, that's definitely feasible. Pretty slow day. Not much happening. Dow down 164. What were we down in the morning? 180. So you see how pretty relaxed we are today. That's because there's not too much going on. NVIDIA just had the crossover and starting to climb there. That's looking good. Oh, Paula, you beat me to it there. Nice. Paula, are you in an earnings trade for NVIDIA? There goes NVIDIA taking off again. Look at that chart there. The today 1 minute. Wow, there goes NVIDIA once again. Should have just got into some regular calls on it, but they were quite expensive.
you got Fire Eye.
CGC still on the climb too. That rune or run, it's not doing much. It's just pretty flat. I'm waiting for that to do something here. I want to get rid of it. Hate sitting on cash like that, you know. What's in that? 8,200, 8,500?
Someone's asking me to look at Fire Eye.
Fire Eye?
Mm-hmm.
FEYE. Let's take a look at Fire Eye. Paula's looking at Roku. I'll take a look at that soon. Fire Eye was one that I posted about yesterday in the trade room. I think something came up with it that I alerted it in the trade room yesterday. Look at NVDA go there. Wow. But yeah, something was going on with Fire Eye, and we were talking about it. Not sure what it was. You're going to have to scroll back in the trade room because I talked about it in the trade room. Fire Eye, I know that they are cybersecurity, so it might be something good looking into, you know, going into the election months. They usually typically do really well then. NVIDIA. CGC. Looking great. Just a slow day today. Paula's looking at Roku. Let's take a look at Roku. Roku's looking nice. 1020 cross coming up. Nice climb. Facebook still on the climb now. I really wanted to add to Facebook. Maybe get like a 210 call for next week. But I want to give it a little bit longer. It's only, what, 45 minutes into the day. Guys, they're getting the live video set up on the website now, so that's what they're working on. We should have that up by this weekend, probably by today. I can't wait for that, because then I could do longer videos throughout the day, you know, and those are going to be member-only videos.
Do you know what time we're supposed to hear from the CEO of the space?
No, I don't. Let me see. There goes Facebook. Look at that chart on Facebook there. Think it's going to start to take off again. Look at this. Look at these sites saying, "Oh, Virgin Galactic trade now could be a home run." They just posted this 4 days ago. You know, these are all the stock sites: Market Watch, CNBC, Fool.com. It's like, yo, I talked about this stock at 9:45 and said it was gonna break out. So it just goes to show you that just because those are big name companies, they don't know what the hell they're doing. Look at the market take off here. Look at NVDA. Look at AMAT. Look at Facebook. Nice climb in the account now again as well. Nice climb coming. That's what I mean about days like today. I already knew coming in, you know, there's nothing really, there's not a big catalyst for the markets. We're still holding though. Tech is still climbing. It's just one of those days you gotta be patient, wait for those setups. I'm up $500 now, unrealized, plus the space trade we locked in this morning. You know, I'm doing really well here. So it's just patience, discipline, managing trades, waiting for those setups. Muhammad said, look at WWE. They said Square's on fire. Everyone's doing Square with the wow face. Let's take a look. Oh my God, look at Square taking off, almost nearing $83. That looks perfect. I mean, look at how well there, Jay. Look at that chart. Look at how it follows the trade plan so well. I mean, that's just one good-looking chart. And that looks like that's going to get to 85 or 90 pretty quick now. Let's see what PayPal's doing. There goes NVIDIA again. Yeah, Square looks like that should easily get back up to 90. Maybe I could look at a longer term trade for Square. Maybe like the March 20th isn't bad, but maybe the June 19th. Oh, that's pretty expensive. March 20th. Yeah, that's not too bad, the March 20th. Get a couple of contracts on it for now. 82.50. And there we go. I just got into the square March 20th, 82.50. I only got 5 contracts of that. It's only a $2,400 trade. Square trade is now green, up 2%. AMAT's looking good here too. AMAT looks like it wants to have its next run. Let me pull that up. Slow day though today. Not much going on. Look at AMAT still continue to run there. New highs on AMAT. Our AMAT trades now in the green, up 5%. Looking great there on AMAT. You guys still in AMAT? Look at that run. Another big breakout here. She might be up to $70 by the end of the day. That's very possible. Even by tomorrow. Tim Thomas just said he sold his Square February 21st 80 strike call for an $896 profit. Great job there. There goes AMAT again. AMAT. Square. Nice. Quick $200 on AMAT already. What time is it? It's almost 10:30. So even if I only made the AMAT trade today, there would be $200. It's already up over 5%. Look at that big breakout. Facebook's starting to run again too. Muhammad said, Dave, can you look at WWE? Sure thing. That might be a good hook pattern forming on WWE. What do you think there? Yay, nay? You like it? There goes. AMAT looks strong here. AMAT looks ready for a big breakout. We're now up 10% on our AMAT trade, the AMAT calls that we got.
I mean, personally, I'm going to avoid a trade with them just because I'm not a fan of the company.
You're not a fan of the company? Why?
Well, it's
Speak up.
no, I don't know. It's limited resources. I'd rather bet other companies. I feel more
That's a
comfortable with.
big drop, though, from 65 down to 40 on a solid company like that. You don't think you want to take advantage of a rebound there?
I mean, there was certainly the opportunity back in November, right? And then it did another drop. So
Yeah, but it got up to where, look at that hook. That's a perfect hook pattern, though.
I mean, for what you do, yeah, it absolutely makes sense. Like I said,
You know, like ride it up to around 47. That's what I was thinking. 47 to 50. But that would be a trade that would be a little bit further out, you know? Maybe March monthly, June monthly expo. There goes AMAT again, guys. Look at AMAT continuing to run there. Facebook starting a nice climb here as well. It's just one of those days. I'm up $500 right now, unrealized in the account for today. Now 600. But you know, it's just one of those days. Yeah, it's a little bit slower. It's not as action-packed as it was the other day. Now I'm up 700. There goes the market, guys. There goes the big climb. Markets are on the climb right now. Facebook, big breakout. AMAT, big breakout. Now up 800. AMAT trades now up 12%. Nice climb today. Gold is up 3.5% today. Have you been watching gold? GOLD? Why you shake your head? Why don't you talk?
Oh, sorry. I just no.
They can't hear you shaking your head. If you don't want to talk, then
Just assume it was a no.
NVDA up up 0.27%. The one above it, Nova's up 1.2%. AMAT's still continuing to run there. There goes Facebook. Big breakout on Facebook there. There's a nice day trade for Facebook now if it holds the 50 right here on that candle. If it holds that 50, that'd be a nice entry. What a nice climb, AMAT. There's a quick $350 on AMAT already. And it's been, what? Very short amount of time. I'm fidgety today. I tried something new this morning for breakfast. I had a sandwich from Starbucks. I usually don't do that, so I don't know if it's the bread from that or something that is making me so fidgety, but I feel like I gotta keep moving. You know? Do you think it's all the carbs? Because usually I don't eat breakfast.
It couldn't be the caffeine.
The caffeine?
Yeah.
I don't think so. I have a coffee every morning.
I mean, you got that one, and that one.
No, I only had one coffee.
Oh, that one just died right there.
Oh, that one's from a few days ago. Yeah, you could see the matcha all green tea all went to the bottom. The top, there's only water. Which I don't know how that turned that color, though.
Yeah, that
Maybe.
makes me extra fancy.
No. NVIDIA trades up 20% already. Muhammad, though, if you were looking at WWE, I'd probably do a longer term trade on that and trade it up to around 47 to 50. Such a boring day. Not even much coming on the scanner today. Target. Ooh, target. What do you think?
Good stuff.
1020 cross, MACD. Next target resistance area is probably going to be right around 125. That's not a bad trade idea. Ain't it or no?
Agreed. And they pay like 3.5% dividends, so it's not a bad stock to hold either.
Tim Thomas said he just sold his February 21st 260 NVDA calls for $1,019 profit. Unbelievable. Great job there, Tim. Nice job. I'm really thinking about making a trade on target.
Is there a particular option you're looking at?
Yes, it worked. I found a great promo code for exactly what I needed.
So is there a particular option you're looking
For target?
Yeah.
Let's take a look. I'll give you guys a trade idea here on target. Let's see. I think she's going to get back up to that 225 or 125 target resistance. March 20th, I think it'd be great. I'd pick up the 115 strikes. Or you could do the 115, 120 vertical spread. I'd rather just pick up the calls there. then again, what if, what if the coronavirus takes off here and then people stop going to Target and Walmart here? Then, your Amazons and Instacart and Uber Eats, all those are going to rocket. And then your retail stores, your physical brick and mortar stores are going to drop like crazy.
I don't know about Target, but Walmart does have delivery. And pickup.
I don't think. Well, Target does on Instacart. AMAT. There goes AMAT again, guys. Target's pulling back here. I'd hold off on Target. Facebook really on the climb here as well.
Yes, you can do it on Robinhood.
What's that? Huh?
I was reading in the chat. Someone's asking if they can do this on Robinhood.
Do what on Robinhood? Trade?
Yeah,
Of course.
that's what I do.
Tim Thomas says, learning from the maestro. Square Trade's still not doing much yet.
Spaces.
Taking off again?
Yeah.
Is that?
Yeah, 260 by 275.
Wow, space at new highs again today. Unbelievable. There goes AMAT again, too. Oof. Bob, I totally agree with you. I think the retail brick and mortar stores are going to have some tough times in the next few weeks or next month or two. We need a vaccine. What is the update on this coronavirus vaccine? Everyone's talking about, yeah, we're going to develop one, but is there anyone that actually has one out there yet?
Great question.
And then let me ask you this. When they make this virus or this vaccine, it's never been tested before on humans, obviously. Is that something you're going to run and go get? Or are you going to be worried about, what the heck they're injecting you with?
Like some mind control substance.
No, not any no, but what if there's something in it that reacts to your body? Yeah, there's no trials or anything yet. And they're just going to push it out really quick. Because this is a global epidemic right here. Up $700 now, unrealized. Tim Thomas makes me look bad. He already locked in a few $1,000s. Well, there are trades though, so that's great. But I'm only up about 1,000. Pretty relaxed day though today. Just watching the markets here. Facebook finally starting to climb there. Nice 1020 cross. We're in breakout momentum. We have the yellow, blue, and red SMA there perfectly lined up now on the today 1 minute. So it looks like it should continue to climb. I want to see it hit 212.50 again. If it does that, we should be back in the green. Looking good. Space, another big run there. Oh. Wow, it's 11 o'clock already. That went by quick today. Look at AMAT. It looks like it's ready for another run. If that could break 65, or what is that, 68.50, there's no doubt in my mind she's going to hit 70 possibly tomorrow. There goes Facebook again. Look at that chart. We were just talking about it. The yellow, blue, red confirmation, and there she goes. Now there's the big breakout. Wow, what a nice move today. General Electric option alert. August 21st, 14 strike call coming in. T-Mobile, or AT&T, 38 strike put sweeps. Facebook, 215 call sweeps coming in March 20th, 965 at 505. And there goes Facebook. Look at Allergen alert coming in. 180 puts. Peloton. Luckin Coffee. Microsoft, 190 call sweeps coming in for the February 21st monthly expo. That's a nice one. I think that's going to get up to 200 easily next week. I think once we see a big breakout, you know, in the coronavirus here, once we get over 1,000 cases here confirmed, then I think you're going to see some major things happening. Until then, look at Facebook there. Wow. Are you watching Facebook here?
Did you average down?
What's that?
Did you average down?
Did I understand?
Average down.
Average down? No, I didn't. Up 700 now. Come on, AMAT. It's waiting for that breakout here. That's what I mean. Sometimes it's just, you know, you're watching charts. It's a slow day. You don't want to jump into more trades, so you're just watching, waiting for that breakout. You get that breakout, then you can make a nice day trade, short-term swing. Tesla's up another 2% today, up 17 bucks. 784. There goes AMAT. Come on, AMAT. Breakout there. The AMAT trades back up 12% again. There we go. There's 14% on AMAT. Up 400 on AMAT, and that's a small trade too. There she goes. There goes AMAT again. Nice breakout. I think I'm so tired. Maybe that's what it is. Maybe that's why my energy's down a little bit today. Haven't been sleeping the best. I don't know. It's starting to get hot again here, you know? I'm thinking, like, why am I...
We have solid AC.
Yeah, we do. I just fixed my thermostat. Wasn't working for the past few days, right? I don't know if she did something to it, on spite or something. But wow, look at that, still climbing up 800 now. But it wouldn't work. The AC wouldn't go on. I'm like, yeah, right now it's still pretty cool, so I didn't put much attention to it. And then yesterday it was like, okay, it's getting hot again. It's like in the mid 80s, high 80s. So I'm like, let me see. It's an app you have to download because it's that smart stuff. So I downloaded the app. Now, like from right here, I could shut off the air, shut off the heat, and then I could say, turn on at 4 o'clock, cool down the house by the time I get home. That's pretty cool. I never had a smart thermostat before, so different. Honeywell. There's a lot of people that have that app downloaded too. There's over 600,000. Be cool if they charge a little subscription fee there. Climb the stock higher. Say, hey, it's $2 a month. That's where the world's heading. No doubt about it. That AMAT trade worked perfectly. What made us buy AMAT? Someone brought it up this morning, right? And then AMAT was upgraded this morning too. I have that on the upgrade list I shared with them this morning. AMAT, Cisco, NVDA. It's on there. Forget the other one.
That's what makes the team awesome is people bringing up awesome trades.
Yeah, I love that. That's what I mean. When they talk and share some trades or say, hey, what do you think of this chart? What do you think of that chart? When they know the trade plan and they bring it to my attention, then we could say, hey, this is a good setup or this is, not that good yet. Wait for a little bit longer. We could work as a team, and that's really what helps propel us. Space had a big candle there. Big drop. And there goes Facebook again. Pretty slow day. Let's check out Target one last time here. See, maybe I can make a trade on Target. Nah, it's in the anti-Z zone. Stay away from that. Kraft Heinz calls coming in. April 17th, 30 strike. Apple Friday 322.50 call sweeps coming in. AMAT trades up 10%. Facebook trades up 19% today. Really nice day today. Happy with how we're handling things here. Looking good. NVIDIA's still on the climb. Now we just need Square to start to pop here. There goes AMAT again off the 20. See, notice how when it's softer days, how you're having a pullback to the 20 compared to the 10. When you're retracing down to the 10 and climbing, that's usually a sign of a really solid day to be trading. Right now we're retracing down to the 20, pretty flat on some other charts. Dow's down. How much is Dow down? Dow's down 100 points right now. Nasdaq's only down 14, so may see a pop tomorrow. That's why I didn't get into any puts. But That's about it, guys. I'm going to go and finish up these videos now on the website, and I want to get that ready for you guys for Monday, and then probably the following Monday, we're probably going to be starting the trade challenge. I'll let you guys know about that, but that's coming up soon. Alrighty, guys, if you have any questions, come join us in the trade room. It's 11 o'clock now, and I will see you guys in the trade room. More call sweeps coming in. Microsoft 190 call sweeps. You have anything you want to say?
I think Monday's a holiday.
Monday's a holiday?
Yeah, Washington's birthday.
Washington's birthday. Oh, there goes AMAT again. Look at AMAT taking off. There goes the next big run on AMAT. Trades back up 15%, $400. Nice job, guys. If I close out any positions, I'm going to let you guys know in the trade room on the SantarelliExchange.com or BreakingChartAlerts.com. And if you guys haven't come and join us yet, please get signed up. Use promo code LOYAL and sign up for one of our annual passes. You'll save 30% there. Go sign up, because once this week's over, that promo code's not going to be valid anymore. So go sign up if you want to take advantage of that. www.breakingchartalerts.com. And then what you do after you sign up for one of the yearly memberships, go on your app store, download Breaking Chart Alerts, and then click for the notifications. And you guys will get notifications on your cell phone. You could also get desktop notifications on breakingchartalerts.com, and the live videos will be on there as well, with the trade room, the trade alerts, and the trade challenge. So if you're not signed up, go do that now. Alrighty, guys, look at here. MasterCard, new 52-week high coming in, 335.59. Let's see what MasterCard and Visa are doing quick before we end this. Wow, look at MasterCard there. Big pop. Let's see, Visa. Visa's on the climb now, too. There goes Visa. Now, see, Visa... MasterCard's at new 52-week highs. Visa's a little bit away from it. I'm going to pick up more Visa contracts right here, guys. I'm going to go with the February 21st Visa. I got to do this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Alrighty, the 205 strike calls. I can pick up the 207.50. 207.50. 210. And buy to open. Place trade. And I am in Visa. February 21st, 207.50 strike call. I'm already up $40 on that. Anyway, I'm in at 210. Visa, February 21st, 207.50 strike call. Now, see how that just came up? I saw MasterCard at new 52-week highs. Visa does the same thing MasterCard does. So Visa's still behind a little bit from MasterCard. So Visa, no doubt in my mind, she's going to get up to 210, especially with MasterCard now hitting new highs. I like that setup. Really happy. Our Visa trade's already up nicely. So not a bad setup there. And look at that chart there. It just looks phenomenal. Nice chart there on Visa. So that's what we picked up, guys. There goes MasterCard again. AMAT's continuing to climb here. Facebook's on the rise. Space is taking off again. Looking good, guys. Looking good. Alrighty, that's going to be it. I'll see you guys in the trade room. Look at this. L-Brand's coming in. L-Brand's optional or February 21st, 25 calls. 500 at 52.1. INTU, new 52-week high. Markets are on the climb here. Looking good. Looking good, guys. Alrighty, I will see you guys in the trade room. If you need anything, let me know. Get signed up on the website, www.breakingchartalerts.com.
Tour the site.
Oh, the tour of the site. Let me go. Yeah, let me go do that. I didn't sign in yet. I'll do another video for that. Look at that. Now we're up 800. Facebook continuing to run. AMAT, Visa. Alrighty, guys, come join us. Get signed up on the website. I'm going to go make a video in a few minutes here of the site and how we use it, what we do. But come join us, and I'll see you guys in the trade room. Alrighty, take care, guys. God bless, and give the video a thumbs up. Share it on social media. Muhammad says the tour. Thank you for reminding me. Let me see. MSFT. Oh, Microsoft. Look at that big breakout on Microsoft there. Look at it climbing off the 10 there. You know what's coming up. You know what's coming. And Microsoft would just upgrade it too. So it's amazing how it always does that on the 10. So you could already see the next move coming here on Microsoft. I got to make one more trade on Microsoft. Now we're up $1,000 for the day. Our Square trade's now in the green again as well. Visa trade already up $100. Nice day today, guys. Wow. We are having a fantastic month, week, year. Nice job. Thank God someone told me the holiday was on Monday, you know, because now I can look about taking a nice little trip or something for the extended holiday weekend, you know, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Maybe I'll go down to Miami or the Bahamas for a little bit. Costa Rica?
Nice stuff. Hey, flights are cheap.
I know, flights are dirt cheap. But so many people use Airbnb when they go out of the country. I'd be scared crapless going to someone's house in another country, you know? You do that though, don't you?
I have.
You have? And how was your experience in a foreign country using Airbnb?
Good.
Yeah, really? You don't feel creeped out or anything?
There was one place that was bad, but otherwise, no, it was good. Everywhere else, that one place that was bad left that same night.
Really? You left the same night? How much was it a night?
Like
$200 a night?
Yeah.
And that's a foreign country? $200 a night or $200 for the trip?
No, per night.
Where the heck are you going that you're paying $200 per night in a foreign country?
Some nice places, I guess.
Wow, lucky you.
Lucky me.
Yeah.
You fly planes.
I fly. Yeah, I guess.
And you drive a Porsche.
I drive a Porsche.
we have different priorities.
Yeah, different priorities. Yeah, I guess so. Yep, absolutely. I agree. Wow, there's another big breakout, AMAT. Yeah, you're absolutely right. You know, me, like I was talking. I went out last night. You know, I went out with. Went out for a little bit. I'll keep it at that. You know, and it was really nice. You know, but we were talking too about what priorities are, and for me, my priorities right now are I want to get the business here set up properly so everyone could follow along easily, get the alerts, have everything they want, and then I want to I really want to get my jet this year. I really do. You could pick up a cheap jet for $400,000. You know, it doesn't even have to be a jet, but if it's a jet, then I could lease it out, make some money with that, and that's really simple. You know, it's just like anything in life. If you have the money, you could do anything. You know, you really can. Like I'm getting my book published. You know, that's going to be about $5,000. You know, but $5,000 to me, that's not much. You know, and as long as you have those funds, you can make anything happen that you want. And that's what people don't understand. I trade for that freedom. You know, I don't trade to be bunkered down and working 15 hours a day. You know, I trade for that freedom, and when you wait for those good setups, and you learn to say, okay, this trade is the type of trade that I want to put a little bit more money into compared to this other trade, which is a little bit higher risk, so I'm only going to put $1,000 into this trade. The other trade, though, I'm going to put $7,500 into. And then that $7,500 trade, it's a little safer, longer term, might be the March, April monthly, but that $7,500 trade might make you a quick $3,000 to $5,000 in a few days. When you collect that $5,000 hit from that trade, then you could be more selective on your next trades. But if you're going a week and you haven't made any trades and you're like, oh wow, I got to make some money quick, let me find something here, and that's what destroys you. So it's patience, discipline, trade plan. And that, I don't know, maybe I'm just. Everyone says I'm very relaxed, I don't know if the market's made me that way, where I'm just watching and I'm just, or do I seem relaxed to you, or do I seem high-strung, or do I seem like,
You have your days.
I have my days?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I bet I do. Yeah, well, when the markets are really breaking out, of course, anyone gets excited a bit. But I don't know. I enjoy trading. I enjoy like my biggest problem is like if you're looking at this Visa chart right now to the right, you see target resistance to 210. I just jumped into the Visa trade. I'm up 3% on it. I'm up 4% now already on it. And what I'm looking at is like, okay, tomorrow, what if it gets up to 208 or 209 and then I'm up a quick 40% on the trade? Well, 40% on 2,000, that's going to be about an $800 profit. So in my mind, I'm already thinking, do I want to lock in that $800 tomorrow if it rises to 209 a share? Or do I want to wait until it gets to that 210 to take the profits or climb from there? Which I think the credit card companies are going to do great with now. No one wants to touch money now with the virus going around. People are buying stuff online now. So you got to think about all that. So the credit card processors are going to skyrocket here. There goes AMAT again. So those are the things I think about here. So Visa, if you're up 40% on that trade tomorrow, are you going to take profit or are you going to hold it?
It depends on my outlook, but 40% is pretty solid. But
yeah,
we've definitely gone higher before. So I always look what matters to me.
See, that's what you said though. That's the key. You said, "Oh, we've gone higher." So then your expectations are always higher. So, do I want to wait though? I think next week's going to be a good week. I don't think there's anything holding us back. So part of me is like, okay, yeah, I do want to hold it a little bit longer.
It's nice locking in profits though, because you're safer.
Absolutely. And you see how quick we could grow an account here when you're constantly locking in trades, locking in profits. I mean, it's a big deal. Alrighty, guys. Anyway, gonna get off here. If you guys need anything, if you guys have any questions, go on the website, breakingchartalerts.com or the SantorelliExchange.com. And if you're not a member yet, please get signed up. breakingchartalerts.com. Once you sign up for the annual membership there, go to the App Store and download Breaking Chart Alerts app. And if you have any questions, message me or message in the trade room.
Somebody wants you to look at RAD before you go.
Yeah, Stefan wants me to look at RAD quick. Let me see. RAD. Ooh, that's looking really good there. This upset me so much. I remember when this was like $2 a share, wasn't it? It got all the way down there, like $4, $5. Now it's back at 15. That looks good though. I like that setup. I like how it looks. $17.50 is going to be the next. Well, $15 is going to be a short-term target, and then $17.50. Our Visa trade's almost up 10% now already. I'm up $200 on Visa already. I'm up 500 on AMAT. There's $700 right there on those two trades. But to me, $700, it's like someone making $20 and saying, yeah, now I could go to McDonald's or something for lunch. For me, $700, that's like my daily expense. Remember like how you calculate your bills, what you got to, it's like, it's like, all right, do I want to slow down my spending? Do I want to, live a little bit more of a relaxed life? There goes AMAT again. Or do I want to keep living my life and keep having nicer things all the time? I think I'm definitely a spender.
I mean, personally, I'm setting aside money to get into a business.
Yeah.
Buy more properties.
That's what I want to do. Get some property. But like when like to me, it's not like I want to buy a $200,000 or $300,000 house and then rent it out. I want to buy something big like a nice $5 million apartment complex or something. Then you're set. That's nice passive income. You have your person there taking care of stuff. Look at Visa still running. Space almost at the highs again, almost nearing $25. It needs to break that 24.75 resistance area. What a nice day though. Alrighty, guys. Hope you guys are having a great day with us as well. Remember, give this video a like here, please. Share it on social media and get signed up on the website, www.breakingchartalerts.com, and I will see you guys later. Take care, guys. Paula just said Nike broke 103. Let's take a look at Nike. Oh, Nike's looking fantastic there. There's no question Nike wants to get above 105 here. Do I want to make another trade though? You know, then the account's right back up to where it was, like 10 trades. You know, I'm in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trades now again.
I think you could take on the challenge.
Take on one more. I can make a small trade that doesn't matter, like a $500 trade. I just don't want to be all leveraged in. And then Monday's a holiday, and then watch coronaviruses, you know, quadruple over the weekend, and then Tuesday comes along. The markets are so bummed out, so worried. They start selling. Then we're down 500. You know, that's just my thought process there. AMAT's still running. Nike, let's see. That's really cheap. The 103 strikes for $1.32. If that gets up to 105.50, 105.66, you're going to have a 100% return. That definitely looks doable. I'm going to hold off on Nike for a little bit. Alrighty, guys. I'm going to get in the trade room here, so have a great day, and I'll see you there. Alrighty. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.